micromanagement is a specific methodology used for management in project management. When a project manager can apply the micromanagement, where can apply it and how he can apply it. In this session, I will explain to you the benefit of micromanagement and when you have to use it. Also, the disadvantages of micromanagement and when you have to avoid micromanagement. They said that micromanagement leads always to demotivate the people and feels lack of authority and lack of power. It's not correct. You just have to use the micromanagement in intervals and when and for whom you can apply the micromanagement. In this session, I will explain to you all of these. Welcome to Whiteboard Project Management, and if you are new here, this is a Whiteboard Project Management YouTube channel. In this session, I will explain to you all the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. If you are interested, subscribe to the channel and stay connected. Grab your cup of coffee, prepare your white sheets, and let's hit the whiteboard to start the session. Using micromanagement in your methodology as a project manager to manage your project team is critical somehow. You need to know when to apply the micromanagement and when to avoid the micromanagement. Let's take an example on the whiteboard to explain both the advantage and disadvantage, when to use and when to avoid the micromanagement. So if you have a project team, you have person A and you have person B and you have person C. Both A and B and C are nominated to your project. What are the differences between all those three team members? Person A is professional. Person B is professional. Person C is new to task. Means he is like a junior. Okay? Meanwhile, person A is long time employed. Person B is short time employed. And this person C is long time or short time employed. So you have three types of people nominated to your project, and you cannot change this team, and you have to execute your project with those teams. Now it's on you as a project manager with your skills how to manage those team members to make maximum efficiency of their work out to your project, to deliver your project in time. How to apply this? Let's take person by person, advantage and disadvantage. So micromanagement is that you are taking the work of this person and you are checking each and every single step of this person and commenting every person. Means that if there is a work done here and here and here and here for each step, you are micro checking of each step, commenting and maybe redo the work and then move to other, and then commenting and redo and maybe this redo will be for a loop of redoing. When you keep redoing the work, the people will be demotivated and they will start losing their productivity, losing the self-confidence, and they will be demotivated and no productivity at all. So why then, if it's disadvantage, why we are using micromanagement? Person A is a professional person. He knows the task very well and he is long time employed in your company. That means he know all your company procedures and you have worked together, you know each other, and the work is very slightly. That means if you use micromanagement on this person, you are losing the productivity of this person. This person knows how to do the work. So here I will just let's saying like 0 level of micromanagement. Don't use micromanagement on this person unless he comes to you and tells you, I don't know how to execute this, I need your support. Now you as a project manager, either you know everything and you explain to him, or you advise him how to do this and you keep checking this process. Let's say you provide him some document or you arrange him some training and you keep checking that everything goes well, he is well trained, the training is happening on time, or the document has been delivered to him, he read the document, he have any questions, you arrange with the team like more like coordination and communication process to arrange things for this person if he needs the micromanagement. Otherwise, don't use it, you lose this person. Person B, he is a professional person, but he is short-term employed. Maybe you don't know him very well, he don't know the other team members, and there is still a gap of communication between, or a barrier between you and him, because you are new or he is new to the project. And project team, definitely he's now, as we specified, he is new to the company. He is new employed. So he's a professional. He needs just a spark to start to know every other things. So here you can micromanage this person, but he is professional. You don't micromanage him with his work. You just micromanage the productivity of his work. You just come to them in the morning, tell him like, okay, good morning, do you have any problems? Is anything, everything okay? What was yesterday? Everything is okay. So he feels that you are supporting him. He will be opening to you, and any problems happened, he will immediately be in contact with you. You are removing the barriers between you and him. You need to micromanage with start of communication, build this trust between you and him. So there will be like a small pulse only, and then you need to leave this person. Only a pulse in the beginning, and once he starts with his production and you see that he is productive, you leave him. Don't use micromanagement at all for this person, only on the beginning. Build the trust and leave it. Person C. Now, this is where you come to your micromanagement. This person is long time or short time employed, and he is also new to the task. Means he is a junior person. He is a junior person, he don't know what to do. He don't know, or maybe he know what to do, but he don't know how to do it. And you as a project manager, you need to check that he is doing his work in time. Some people, due to personality, they used to sit on their desk and send email and think that once they send the email, it's out of their responsibility. This is not the correct way. A team member is responsible for a scope to be delivered. If he have any problem, if he have any input data to be given to him, he should not wait for those data. He should go and inform his project manager or project leader and tell him, listen, I don't have these data. If I will not get it, I cannot do my work. Then everyone will know and will start dig for those data. So some people personality is in this way. They send email and they sit. You need to check their productivity. Meanwhile, a person could be very productive, but he don't know how to do it. This is not his fault. He is learning. Everybody is learning. Everybody, even the project manager and project director, and everyone is learning from another project, because each and every project is a unique project and is different from other projects. So we are all keep learning till no end. Now, this person is a new and he needs to know what to do. So you micromanage him, let him do the work, and then you come back to him the second day and you do another micromanagement. He do the work and let's make, so it's like pulses of micromanagement. But be careful. Look what I will do here. The pulses should be in more intervals, and it's less and less and less. Means that the time here between the micromanagement is longer, and the type of micromanagement is even shorter. You don't let this person to be micromanaged every day, the same type of management and things. You just kick the spark, let him start the work, and once he get into the work, you start micromanaging, like say not every day, but every second day, every week, and micromanage only with limited things which are needed just to support him. This micromanagement will be for him as a support, as a technical support, or as a project support. It will help him to do it. But you need to know your limits to avoid losing this person, losing his motivation to the project. Get him engaged with other people. Once he get engaged with other people, you don't need to extra micromanage this person. I hope that I explained most of the methodologies for micromanagement for different type of people, and avoid using micromanagement with your expert project team unless it's necessary. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.